All the ingredients are ready for baking, so let's start. The most important step, beating the eggs. I am using beater for beating the eggs. You can use any hand whisker also. I am using the high speed available in my beater, that is 3 for my case. Beat the eggs till you get this kind of pins in your egg mixture. Add vanilla essence to the egg mixture. Now add milk. Add oil in the batter. Oil gives a fluffy and spongy texture to the cake. Now add powdered sugar. Give a good mix. Now it's time to mix all the dry ingredients. Take the flour in a bowl. Add baking powder, baking soda, add salt. This is to enrich the sweetness of the cake. Mix all the dry ingredients together. Add them to the batter. Give them a good mix. Make sure there is no lump in the batter. The consistency of the batter should be like this. Add some flour to the dry fruits so they are well coated. I have taken a Bundt cake mold. You can use any other cake mold available with you. Add oil to grease the cake mold evenly and also add some flour dust to it. This will help to take out your cake from the mold smoothly. Add the batter to the cake mold. Add the dry fruits on the top. Preheat your oven to 140 degrees centigrade for around 12 minutes. Set the temperature to 140 degrees centigrade in convection mode for around 45 to 50 minutes. This may vary from one microwave to another So it's better to check after 45 minutes if the cake is baked. Do not take out the cake immediately. It's better to rest the cake for another 30 minutes in the microwave itself. Take out the cake gently. You can see how soft and fluffy the cake is. Soft, fluffy tea time cake is ready to serve. Cut the cake into slices. You can see the softness. So the tea time cake is ready to serve. Try at home and let me know in the comment section. Many people may face this issue that their cake is hard from outside but raw inside. So try to set the temperature at 140 for 50 minutes. This will help to bake your cake evenly and not hard outside. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching Cook with Aranya.